Artificial intelligence, how do you use AI to grow your business, specifically using free resources, tools, apps that you don't have to pay for. How do you do it? It is the year 2026 and AI will change virtually every part of society, just as electricity changed the world. My name is Fernando. I'm the founder and CEO of Zen's Tea House, and my team has been using AI since it really got started about 3 years ago formally. We have new programs that are being developed every day. These are rollouts with AI, and they are changing virtually every industry. And in this presentation, we are going to cover how you can use AI for your business. And we're going to begin with mindset. Most people look at things from a consumer's perspective. Social media is a prime example. How many people go onto social media for their own consumption? They're using it to distract themselves, to look at the ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, or maybe they are living a fantasy. They're disconnecting. They're doing so for selfish gain. Whether you look at it that way or not, they are consumers. And yes, there might be some therapeutic benefits to that. Same with AI. People are going to use it selfishly. How to make my life easier? How do I get to where I want to go faster, cheaper, easier? So the difference between a person who's going to succeed using artificial intelligence in their business mindset, they have to switch from being a consumer to being a creator. The parallels work with social media as well. People who are doing really well on social media create content, they don't consume it. Now, by its nature, people consume social media. By its nature, artificial intelligence is consumed, but it's the attitude, it's the mindset, it's the very much approach of how they use AI. Are they going to use this to make their life easier, or are they going to use it to make other people's life easier? That little paradigm changes, and its economic ripple effect goes far beyond any product or service you are providing. So once you get to that attitude of being a consumer versus a creator, now you're ready for the first step. You use AI to do an analysis on your brand, on your business, the product or service. What do people say about your business? Are people happy about you? What do they think about you? Do they even know you? It could be absolutely nothing, but an analysis using artificial intelligence is how it begins, number one. Number two, you have the analysis. AI has now done the hard work of what a professional consultant would have to do. Research pews would pull all the data. AI puts it together within seconds. If it's online, AI will find it. So you have your analysis. Next step, number two, is you're going to ask, am I happy with the results? Because some people think that they sell a product or a service, but really what they're providing is a sense of belonging. Some people, like myself, I sell tea, right? I think that I sell cups of tea, but the truth is I'm selling more health and wellness, and social media might kind of touch on that, but AI will go far deeper. They will research your competition. They'll see what your numbers look like. They can actually give you an analysis, a very sober view of what your business is offering, even if you're just starting off. And with that analysis, you're going to ask yourself, do I need to make changes to my website? Do I need to make changes to my brand? Is what I thought was a luxury product and service, or is it more of a commodity? All those questions AI is going to be able to answer with relative certainty very quickly with the comparative analysis of competition instantly. Now you got to ask yourself, do I want to make those changes? Because once you do, now you start working and making, kind of reverse engineering your business model. Okay, you got the mindset of a creator. Now you have your analysis, very professional, and now you're going to start making changes. Now you can ask AI, how do you make these changes? AI, so my website doesn't look very good. I thought I was selling tea, but it comes to find out I'm selling more of like a lifestyle. How do I make my website to be more like this? Well, AI will shoot out how to do so relatively quickly, and it could give you a multiple perspective. Say, I'm trying to go after this demographic, this age, this gender, this part of the world with this type of budget. AI, make me a comparative analysis of another business, and how do I make changes like that? And I want to use free resources, free tools, no money. I want to do this for free, or at least as little money as possible to make these changes. AI will offer those services. Now, once you make all these internal changes, the next step is you're going to be ready to drive traffic. Yes, because you can build it, but that doesn't mean that it's going to come. And AI will show you how to create search engine optimization for free. You don't need to hire an expert in web traffic. You don't have to pay for advertising. You can use the free resources that AI offers. And by the way, they're pulling the data from all the big companies. Like I said earlier, if it's online, AI will find it. That is if you get the more expensive version. You can use the cheap version, there'll be limitations. But this driving traffic is step number 3, and you must use AI correctly. You don't want to look at it like social media saying, well, I'm posting on social media. Why aren't people coming? You can ask AI, I made these internal changes. I made these changes to my website. My other competitors are doing this. Why is this not working? They might make recommendations. AI, big tech, will make recommendations, and you can choose to go the free version or the not free version. And this is how you start internally for free, start making changes using AI. That's driving traffic. Now, number 4, which is probably my favorite, is sales. You will learn how to make sales. You got the traffic coming to your website. You have people going to whatever physical business that you're going to. And you could ask AI, so my website looks good. My internal systems are in place. I have the phone systems. Now, how do I make sales? Can you provide a step-by-step process on how to make sales? Now, AI will not create something new. AI looks at historical data, which is nice from an economic perspective. There's a bell curve of what happens, and you can use AI to predict where your sales are going to come from. And they can see what your competition is doing, all virtually free. Now, where the real money is, and you can't do this out of order, right? Automation. AI makes automation fail-proof. Imagine hiring an employee who never takes a day off, who does exactly what you request, how you want it, when you want it. That is artificial intelligence. Now, I mentioned quite a few parallels between social media. You can hire an influencer. You can hire traffic web developers to take over your social media content. But you need to know exactly what kind of service you want. AI, you can ask, what type of automation systems can I put in place for my business? I have a brick and mortar. I want to drive people to this place. How do I do so? AI will create, virtual agents is one of them, will create a template and say you can follow these systems and implement to build your business to be automated. Now, what I'm sharing with you is not new. It begins with the mindset. Majority of people by nature are consumers. Entrepreneurs are creators. They innovate. They generally will look at everything from a different perspective because they're seeing how this can stimulate economic development. One of my favorite economists is Thomas Sowell, and his definition of an economy is finding alternative uses for limited resources. Now, AI is not a limited resource, but it has limitless resource alternative uses. And as soon as you start looking at what's freely available and the alternative uses it may have, you will start looking at your business differently. My name is Fernando. I'm the founder and CEO of Zen's Tea House. If you would like help implementing these 5 steps, email me, fernando@zenstea.com. If you want to get a free PDF download of this presentation, you could go to the website zenstea.com. Just type in AI PDF and it'll pop right up. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below.